Assertion is the number of chromosomes in a cell and in a germ cell is not the same in species. Reason being, when two germ cells combine, they restore the number of chromosomes in a species. Which of these is correct? Germ cells like sperm and eggs are haploid, which means they contain half the number of chromosomes as somatic cells. Somatic cells, on the other hand, are diploid. They contain two sets of chromosomes, one from each parent. When two germ cells combine during fertilization, they restore the diploid number of chromosomes in the offspring. For example, in humans, somatic cells have 46 chromosomes, while germ cells have 23 chromosomes. When an egg and a sperm fuse, they form a diploid zygote with 46 chromosomes. Thus, option A is correct.